So my rendering's complete, and that took half an hour to render. So let's have a look at the results. We can go to our rendering menu. So if we go to, let's just close this up. If I hold my spacebar down just to show you this, render, show batch render. Okay, this is in the rendering menu set. What should happen is your F-check window should come up, which is a separate program which allows you to play your animations and have a look at some files as well. So here it is, and this is what it looks like. And what you can do is go to File on your F-check, it's just off the screen here, and Open Sequence. So once you go to Open Sequence, you can navigate to your Images folder and then grab the first frame of your animation, which I'm looking for now. Here it is, and say Open. And then it's going to start playing. It's playing a bit too fast there, so I can press T to play it in real time. And so there's our end result. Okay, you can do a few things here. You can play it backwards. You can step through it if you pause it. If you press spacebar, you can pause it, and then you can go through frame by frame, or use the arrow keys on your keyboard to go frame by frame and have a look at it frame by frame. You could also raise the gamma as well, like that. Okay, and then you can also save this as well. This is on the Mac. You can save this as a QuickTime as well. So I can go to File, Save as Movie, and then just save it wherever I want. I'll just save that as Toy Train. Just thought I'd show you how it looks on the PC as well. It looks slightly different, but if you go to Render, Show Batch Render, then you should get a file coming up. Then you can go to File, Open Animation in the same way, pick the first frame, which I've already done here, and then you can press play. Okay, and you probably don't have to press T in here. T will actually skip frames to keep the correct frame rate in this version. Okay. And then you've got these play controls on the top here as well. So you can use your left mouse button to scrub this out. Okay, and you can use your left and right keys to actually look through that as well. Okay, you can't actually save this as a animation in here. You can't save it as a movie. So if you save as animation, it's just going to save it as another format. So like something like bitmap or whatever. But you can't actually save it as a movie file. But that's fine. In both the Windows and the Mac version, if you go to File, you can go to View Sequence or View Image to bring up the F-check. And it's just a separate program, so it just runs like any other program. So you can use this shortcut to actually bring it up. So if you go to View Sequence, you can then navigate to where you've saved your images and then pick the first frame and open it up like that. So congratulations on completing your first project. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's move on to the next project.